Start streaming. We should be good. Oh, don't do it right away, motherfucker. Stop it. Stop it. I swear if we just dump, I'm gonna be pissed. No! This is what I wanted to happen. Oh, you suck. Wow. You're not even gonna give us an opportunity? You're not even gonna give us an opportunity today? Never mind. You motherfucker. Wow, you suck. That's the latest setup I was looking for, but I'm gonna wait and stay patient and see if we get people get faked out to the downside real quick. Let's see. I'd like to wait for a 5-minute break of structure. We still have this 15-minute gap down below. I'd like to see get inversed. So we can still come down and respect that. See if we want to fake people to the downside of trade market open. Falling for your tricks. $100 points to the downside, and then 60 points back up to the upside. Yeah, we inverse that gap. I'm waiting for 5-minute confirmation. I'm gonna wait for 5-minute confirmation. How many points did we move last night? Wow. That's a lot. I'm gonna stay patient. I wonder if we want to continue higher offers, bro. These equal highs. They are, dude. We want to continue higher. Get equal highs above. Wow. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Looks like we're coming for these equal highs right now. That's what I have to put my guess on. That's what I put my guess on. That's what I put my guess on. Got a bullish candle closure there at ES. I think we're coming for those equal highs. $5 points we could go for. want it, but I'm hesitating on it. I think we're coming for it. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna wait. It's just 1 minute confirmation. I would have liked to gotten in a little bit earlier off of this 15-minute gap. This would just be off a 1 minute fair value gap. That's why I'm not liking it, I think. The 1 minute fair value gap in equilibrium. On a 2RR. I'm gonna sit out on it right now. I just feel like NASDAQ's gonna come up and sweep these out. ES isn't. There is equal highs though. There is equal highs though. Wow, would have gotten. Wow. Would have gotten smacked. Why we wait? 946, 946. I think Xiaomi wants to continue higher, but 9 minutes to this candle closure. Something else I want to look for too is if we come into this support range. North. I want to see if we can maybe get this. What are you doing, Tito? Good, Mom? What you doing? Okay? Um, would have been stopped out of that trade if I entered. I just didn't like that entry because we're just going off a 1 minute fair value gap. I wouldn't want to get well. If I wanted to get in, it'd have to be around this 15-minute low that 15-minute fair value gap that we respected. And an entry would have been around here, but we would have been stopped at a break even anyway. So just gonna stay patient right now. My bias was bearish, that's why I didn't like it either. But I really want to see if we can come up into it using the fib. I really want to see if we could sweep these 15 minutes though and form a 5-minute S&T off of it. We are coming into that hourly 50% level. Equilibrium from the hourly time frame. So I mean, let's see if we get a bullish candle after this bearish candle. Come here. The macro time frame just opened up like 4 minutes ago. Inverse this 5-minute gap. I don't even know what this would be. 66 points. 170 point trade. Be nice. Be nice. Come on, dude. You just gonna dump now? What are you doing? Break even first, TP second, TP. Some tricky shit, man. This is some tricky shit. Our stripping and probably fake people arch are down, so I continue higher. 4-hour gap above too. Alright, we know we're in the salary gap. We didn't fucking inverse it, so I'm gonna X this out right now because it's getting in my damn way. No, I'm on standby too. Alright. I just think I'm so focused on this hourly gap of being bearish with it. I think we're going to end up continuing higher because we have a 4-hour gap above now. We have 2 4-hour gaps. I think we could probably come up to London session. But I need to see ES inverse this 5-minute before I want to think like that. I'm not going to just... We haven't broke structure on the 1 minute. We formed an hourly SMT off of the New York low. We did do that. We formed an hourly SMT. ES is the leading index to the upside. But my bias coming into the day was bearish. And I think that's why I'm hesitating to the upside. But I just price ain't doing anything really, you know? It ain't doing much. We just came into the 5-minute on ES, so... But it's just consolidation right here right now. Do you have those equal highs above? So... We did form a 5-minute S&T. We broke structure in the 15-minute time frame. Do we want to continue lower? Expecting this hourly. We have 2 4-hours above. We got this hour 4-hour, and we the first presented 4-hour. Be something we want to retrace into. If I had to put my marbles on it, as of now, it's looking like we want these equal highs. And maybe we could target fucking London session out of that too. Just what stinks is if we inverse this, dude. Still got 3 minutes. Motherfucker. Broke structure. Let's see if this is a manipulation and reversal here. If we inverse this 5-minute, got 2 minutes left though. I'd love for this to be a break-even level. That'd be awesome. And then we could target something like this. First take profit, final take profit. The risk is just getting more and more. You got it. Give me a retest of this area right here. I'd love a retest of this area. I would love a retest. Two minutes. Give me a retest. Give me a fucking retest, mate. No. No. motherfucker. Got a minute left. We inverse the 5 minute to the upside. You're joking. You're joking. Let me go for it.
Order filled.
See if I get doofed here. I'm gonna go for the 7164 is my stop. See if I get smacked on this, boys. I don't like that candle closure, but I'm giving it a shot. Might get smacked on the first candle. You're joking. Really? Lordy. Lordy. Don't you love that? Straighten and drawdown. Dog. 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 Is this gonna be another ass whooper? I think so. Come on. No shot. No shot. Another ass whooper. Damn. Damn. I'm gonna be done after this one because I can feel myself just about to like fucking. Because again, I've been taking multiple losses. So, yeah, if we get stopped out, which it looks like we're going to, I'm gonna be done for the day. I don't want to take a second trade today. I don't want to take a second trade. This is gonna be the candle that does it or doesn't. Let's see. See if we get saved by the bell. I doubt it, but painful. Painful. Okay, equal highs above too, dude. Bullish overall on the 5-minute time frame. We formed an SMT from the New York low. Can we survive? Can we survive? We inversed it. Can we survive? No. Yes. Yes. No. You suck. You suck. All right. gonna get doofed. Stinks. Trading is hard, man. Trading is hard. Trading is hard. Shit ain't easy. It ain't easy. Ain't easy to be cheesy. Trading stinks. Is anybody else in this one or no? March was so much better, dude. It's just like you get an entry and it's like, fuck, it slowly chops to your stop loss. And it stinks. Mentally frying. Yeah, it's true. Mentally just frying. We've equal highs above too, dude. Like, I like this trade. We inversed the 5 minute. We waited for extra confirmation and we got it. You got a bullish confirmation at equilibrium and the fair value gap. Like, I would have liked to already freaking skyrocketed by now. Just, yeah, dude, we formed a 5 minute bearish fair value gap over here on NASDAQ. Yeah. We're getting stopped out. Yeah. Dude, you suck. You suck. You suck. Yeah, those are the worst ones. And just I already know. Just looking at this, we're probably getting, like, most likely, statistically, we're probably getting stopped out because we're coming into this 5 minute bearish now on NASDAQ. We're probably gonna break structure to the downside. It's a pain in the butt, dude. NASDAQ's respect. We formed a 5 minute bearish now, and then yeah. It's just shit price action, dude. Getting gypped. Getting gypped. I already know this is going down. I don't even want to move it down to here. It's probably a stupid idea with this 5 minute low gonna get swept. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. You stink. I'm at 64. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. Did we sweep that 5-minute low? Can you please do it for us? Can you please do a 5-minute SMT off of this? I will kiss you. I will kiss you. I will kiss you. I just do it. Just form it. No, just form it. Oh, you suck. We didn't form it. I'm still gonna hold it. Just do it. Just do it. Take that 5-minute low and go. Go. Take that 5-minute low and go. Did we break structure on the 5-minute time frame on NASDAQ? Oh, we did. Uh-oh. This might be the downward move that we were looking for before. We'll see. Come on, yes. You're leading to the upside too. You're the leading to the upside too. Take out that 5-minute low and go. You want to be bullish, not bearish. No. Shit. Stop filled. Here we go.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. Another loss. Another loss. Getting marked. Getting marked. Nuts. Fucking crazy, dude. Dude, I fucking swear, dog. Are you serious? This is incredible. This is incredible. For real. I don't know, dude. This is fucking like.
Heard you guys lowered your prices, so I got here as quick as I could. New lower prices are here at Leslie's.
Where did I see that 5-minute gap before? On NASDAQ. Now we're gonna dump. I'm just taking stupid trades. Like, I should have just stuck with my bias, dude. And like, fuck. When we broke here, I don't know what I'm looking for. It's pathetic, dude. Expecting this 1-minute bearish fair value gap right here this whole entire time. Now we're coming for all this shit down below, dude. Insane. 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 My bias is gonna be correct, but I fucking trade to the upside like an idiot. Just because of equal highs. Instead of just looking at overall market structure. Crazy. Crazy. Dude, what is this shit? Imagine. Like, what are we doing? Like we're not gonna take those out. We're not gonna take them out. Makes sense. This risk to reward sucks, but just gonna dump. Formed a 1 minute S&T. Just gonna dump. Broke.
Order filled. Order filled.
%, break even, letting one runner run. 27-16. Letting one run. I'll move it to break even and I'll let one run. I'll move it to break even, I'll let one run. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You better take that shit. You better take that shit.
Order filled.
Alright, moving to break even a little bit below.
Order cancelled.
Whoa. What do you mean? Going a little bit above break even. Where's my entry? At 54? Entry's at 54. This is a reversal zone, so just gonna put it at break even and let it ride. This is definitely a reversal zone, so I'm not going to be surprised if price wants to come up here and stops at a break even, so just an FYI. But we'll see if she'll run.
Stop filled.
Whatever. Alright, well, I'm done for the day. I reduced my risk a little bit to minus 127 per account in the day. I knew we were coming for those 4-hour lows. Again, I didn't know the market could do whatever it wants at the end of the day, but yeah. I cut it to break even because I know that's a potential reversal spot. My entry was at 54. So I was at 54. Wow. $54 was my entry. I had a tight stop loss on this anyway, so it was like above here. But I wanted to let that last runner run all the way down to here. But this is a potential reversal spot, so I put it at break even. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just like how I took that trade with no fear. Accepted the risk. Whatever happened, happens. Really wanted to see if that could continue lower, but my entry, my trailing stop was like around here. So we were break even. I think it's still gonna run because overall higher time frame is bearish, you know. I reduced my risk by $70, so I just think this is definitely a reversal zone, you know. Overall bias was correct on what I wanted to do, but I don't why am I longing in an hourly bearish fair value gap when I said I'm not going to long unless the hourly bearish fair value gap gets inverse? Don't ask me, but I got some reviewing to do, and I don't know, man. I don't know. That's what I'm going to say. Been taking some dumb trades, even though I said the S, no trades are dumb, but I'm like not following my system at all. I get my bias, and then, yeah. If you literally watch the bias video, it says it. Like, I literally said it. Yeah, I long, dude. I took a loss, and then, I don't know. Not trading the best right now, but we reduced that second loss about $1,000, I think. Pretty close. We'll see. We still have those equal highs above, dude, too. 2.1. We still have those equal highs above, which is nuts. Which is nuts. Like, I really want those. Is that crazy? Is that crazy? I'm about to form that hourly high now, too. See if we form this 5-minute SMT off this 4-hour low. Where's this 4-hour low on ES? It's right here, right? 4-hour low at Friday the 24th at 2 a.m. 4-hour low, Friday the 24th. Same shit, 10, 2 a.m. Yeah, same shit. Look at this. 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 Is this all we wanted? Is this all we wanted? Is that all we wanted? Dude, let's see if this is the 11 a.m. macro. This is where it's going to continue up. And it's going to be the same exact shit as yesterday when I took this paper trade and it started to continue up in the bullish direction. It's like, and I already took 2 trades, but I'm just going to stay and see because we're about to form a 5-minute S&T off this shit. I don't know. If we end up breaking structure in the 5-minute time frame also, dude, and we have equal highs above, we're going to form an hourly high. It's like... I wouldn't be taking it off of emotion because we already reduced our risk today, but it's like I just have a rule, though, where I can't take more than 2 trades. And I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this is like gonna be perfection. Like clear setup. 11 a.m.'s in a hit. It's gonna be SMT off a 4-hour low. Break a structure to the upside. Like, listen, if it fucking presents itself, I'm gonna take it. I don't give a shit what anybody says. I really don't. This is not going to be taken off emotion or anything. Should be able to take another trade if one is break even. That's what I'm saying. What I'm going to journal though is if I do take this, I know for a fact that this trade is not going to be taken off of emotion. I know it for a fact. And that's the difference. But I'm going to wait for A+ confirmation. As of now, I ain't trading. We formed a 5-minute S&T. Did we form a 15-minute SMT? No. We're coming into a 15-minute gap right now, which could send us lower. But we formed a 5-minute SMT off that 4-hour low. Okay? If we break structure on the 5-minute time frame and we get a retrace into a 5-minute fair value gap or something, or respecting bullish confluences with equal highs above, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. As of now, though, I'm not trading. I have to see confirmation. This trade will be taken off of confluences and experience, not fucking emotion. If we end up coming back down to the downside and we go below this 4-hour low, I'm out. I'm going to accept that loss on the chin. How much did we get on the second trade? All right, $78. We reduced our risk by $78. So $127 on the day. Not a big loss. Our losses we manage. Yesterday we managed too. This day we managed. 205 and then 150 we got back. This day we managed. 168 got 220 back. This day we managed. Just took one loss and then took a smaller loss. This day, kind of a full loss, but we de-risked. And then our wins are, we win, we're done. On this one, we win. 365, it was on the 5 accounts. Wasn't a big win, break even on that day. 7 accounts, 293. Like, jeez Louise. This might be the same exact shit as yesterday if we inverse this 15-minute gap. It's controlled losses, but it's just taxing, dude. We're right on the month now. $415, but it's like taxing. Oh my god, this 15-minute candle. Is this 15? Oh, I thought it was 15. No, it closes in 11 minutes. It closes in 11 minutes. I'm gonna wait for it patiently. We have an hourly high, we have equal highs. Equal highs right here. There you go, J. Cole. At least somebody's green. Other people might be too, but I'm just saying. I've been getting bent over. Bent over. What am I down on these accounts, dude? These accounts were at 52,000 at one point. And now they're at 51,727, which isn't bad. What am I down on the month on these? Alright, I'm down $145 per account on these. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's why I like alternating groups. And then on my other group, I think we're up. Yeah, on the other group, we're still up $300 per account on group 2. And then on my Tradeify accounts, we're down $300 or $200 per account. So all right, let's see. Because the overall trend, guys, might be bearish. Let's see what happens. Because we did come into this hourly. We're bearish on the 4-hour. We're bearish on the hourly time frame. This might be where we want to continue lower and take out these draws. Because we are coming into a 15-minute for a value gap. It looks like we want to just come out of this and... I feel like we're going to come for this daily low by the end of today. Oh wait, do we have that new weekly opening gap too that we never filled? Yeah, right here. We have this new weekly opening gap that we never filled also, right here. A new daily opening gap. So we're probably going to come to that. But let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. See, let's try it. Look at this too. I know, dude. It's up to you, J. Cole. The only reason why I don't want to go short again is just sweeping on a 4-hour low. That's it. But overall higher time frame's fucking bearish, dude. We can come down, take out this hourly, this daily, and come fill in this weekly for a value gap. That could be where we're going. It could be where we're going. Pet friendly. All right, 16 seconds left on this 5-minute fair value gap candle. Let's see. Do we respect it or do we inverse it? If we inverse it, we're probably going to continue lower or chop around. So probably going to cut it for me. All right, we inversed it on both of them, guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut it. We still have 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. It'll let me freaking do this break a structure. What the fuck? We'd have to break above that. Break above that and inverse this. I really just don't know why I didn't follow my bias today and wait for the opportunity to go short. I really don't know why. 1020. I don't know why. We might continue to lower the rest of the day. So just don't want to get caught in chop here. That's it. I just don't want to get caught in chop. I think one thing I did good today again though, dude, was that first loss pissed me off. But I think it pissed me off because again, I was so focused on equal highs instead of focusing on the higher time frame trend. I was bearish. You can go watch the daily bias video. Like I literally said that's what I wanted to happen today. And I didn't stick to it. What just happened? And I didn't stick to it, right? And that's why it pissed me off. But once I saw where we were going, because my bias was out, I was like, we're going to take out this 4-hour low. So I took a shot at it. We ended up taking it out. But we managed it well. What happened? You guys still there? Did we lose power for a second? You guys there still? Hello? OBS is still on? I lost power for a second, guys. Hold on. I think my stream got fucked. We've got 1 minute and 46 seconds left to this candle closure. Let's watch this 15-minute. Let's watch this 15-minute, and then that's it for me. Yeah, I don't blame you, J. Cole. It's smart. Walking away is always smart, especially your green on the day, dude. Look at this though. Let's take out the fib and we'll go from here. It's right in my Fibonacci levels. 0.705 and the 0.791. Same thing over here, I think, too, right? Oh, that's not the fib. 15. 32 seconds. 31 seconds. 30 seconds. $17, $16, $15, $14. Will buyers step in or not? Nope. All right. Well, we could paper trade it if it happens. But I'm going to take another loss on the chin. Like a man. Like a man. Minus 1.2K again. We are down on the month. We're down. Coming from our best month to our worst month. Not our worst month, break even month. My worst month was January. Minus 6K. Plus 6K, plus 9K, break even-ish. Spaghetti noodles. Yeah, January for me, I got raped. So is this really gonna end up happening? And it just sucks. Just stinks. It'll be the afternoon sesh. Be the afternoon. Ah. All right. I traded like bum suey today. Ended up taking a second trade. Ended up hitting first TP, and I wanted to let a runner run, but we put it to break even. Got stopped at a break even. So we ended the day. Here's my first trade. I don't know why I'm going long to target these equal highs. We had equal highs above that I wanted on the 15-minute time frame. Right here. Equal highs. Equal highs. Thought we were coming for them, but I guess not. Ended up getting stopped out on that trade, right? Minus 2 something on the day. We end up taking this trade on NASDAQ, enter in the same position size, target the 4-hour low, seeing if it'll run, continue lower, ending the day minus 127 per account. So we got back. Let's go to the positions. Hold on. I'm a mess right now. This is what it looked like, right? First loss. Second, didn't get the runner part of it. Whoa. Being transparent, I'm getting my butt kicked this month. We're negative on the month now. All right, peace out. Yeah, give me the cheat code to profitability, dude. Give it to me. What is it? Struggle, disappear. Yeah. I don't think it's luck. I think it's just a lot of fucking hard work, and everybody thinks this shit happens within 2 to 3 years when it doesn't. I think give yourself 5 to 10 years, and then you start talking. Most people think it's freaking happens in a month or a year. I think it's 5 years of hell, at least. I'm on year 6 or 7 though, 6, 7. I'm on, yeah. But again, everybody's journey is different. Someone could do it within a year, I guess, but it's probably very unlikely and something that 95% of people are unsuccessful in. You gotta remember that. You gotta remember that. Social media makes this shit look totally different than what it is. if we could all be so good at it, we'd all be very rich. And a lot more people would be richer if trading was that easy. But statistically, 95% of people don't make it. And that's just based off statistics, not me. Not me, mate. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it. Probably gonna end up paper trading it, just like I did the other day. No, we always refuse to be 95%. Always. I don't care about the statistics. I'm just pointing out. People think this shit's easy. It ain't. It ain't easy. But the hardest part is when you're consistently losing. How are you defined in that time? Are you blowing accounts? Are you surviving? Are you managing risk well? Are you taking smaller losses? Are you crashing out as much as I wanted to today? You know? And that's the hard part. Because again, it's like you take loss after loss after loss after loss. And it ain't fun. It ain't fun. Yeah. It look like we ain't gonna get this. Yeah, let's see what next month brings. But again, we don't gotta hope. We just gotta follow our system. I trust my system, dude, because I've done it for years. Yes, I might not be getting consistent payouts yet, and yes, I might not be doing this and that, but dude, I'm showing the transparency of the journey. But I've traded the same strategy for probably 3.5, 4 years now. Probably 3, because I traded Forex and shit. So, crypto. Traded futures for like 3.5 years. Yeah, this looks like we're gonna chop. We took out a strong draw. We got that. Tundra, shut up! We got that manipulation up. We distributed down. We took out our draw. Now we're probably gonna consolidate. Right here. So I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to get this video posted up, but I'm probably done for the day. As you guys see, I took another freaking loss, man. How many is that in a row? Well, we took a win. 1 loss, 1 win. Loss. Loss, win. Back and forth. It's like fucking ping pong right now. Daily low? What daily low? The previous daily low or this daily low? I would mark that as the daily low. Yeah, big candle. See what you're seeing. All right. I'm out for today, ladies. Really should have just trusted my bias today. I don't know why I'm freaking long and dude, and I even felt it was wrong, but fuck. Jeez, all I had to do was wait, and then we got that break of structure to the downside. This is what the trade should have been. Break of structure. Bang! 5-minute break of structure after coming into this hourly fair value gap. We hit the 50% level. What do we do? Let's get on to the 1-minute time frame. What do we look for? This has to be reloaded. Hold on. What do we look for? Bang! What do we got? Break of structure. What do we come back into? 1-minute fair value gap. Right here. Schmack. We're respecting it. We're respecting it. What do we get? Mark out equilibrium. Schmack. Schmack. What do we get? Come into equilibrium. Respect the bearish fair value gap. What do we have? 1-minute bullish right here. What do we get? Bang. Inverse. Schmack. Entry. stop loss, 40 points. Banger, 147-point trade. That should have been the damn trade. But no. Travis got to trade like a... yeah. It's alright. It's alright. Alright, loves. Peace out. I'm done. I'll probably paper trade this if the opportunity presents itself, but I don't think it's gonna. Alright. Yeah, we were, I mean, it went right through, but it didn't close, you know? That's what I was thinking, too. I thought we were going to get to that. Next time, I got to wait for that hourly candle close, dude. That's the 10 a.m. close, because we could see the 10 a.m. close. We end up coming respecting it. And I even said that in the next candles straight down, because we're respecting bearish market structure. We never inversed it. I got to wait for that hourly inverse before I take a long. And I know that. What, Turb? Alright, sounds good, sounds good. Alright, I'm out, guys. Peace out, have a great day. I'm gonna end the stream. Another loss for me.